Here I have Samsung Galaxy A15, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Here you can change sound source, you can change video quality, you can select selfie video size. You can also show taps and touches on the screen, and you can select the recording folder. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and after the countdown, here you can select sound source, and after the countdown, recording starts. So now you can start recording. Here you can enable this selfie camera. Here you can do some notes, like you can something write or draw something. Here you can pause the recording and then you can play it again, and when you're done recording, just tap on square button, and after that it will be saved to the gallery, to the special album Screen Recordings. And here it is. And from here you can favorite, edit, share, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.